Hey there, smoothie enthusiasts, welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're diving into the Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender, a powerhouse blender that's as eco-friendly as it is efficient. The Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender boasts a robust 1200-watt motor, making it our most powerful single-serve blender yet. Despite its power, it's also our quietest blender, thanks to its specialized design that reduces sound frequencies. Its streamlined profile not only looks sleek, but also saves space on your kitchen counter, adding a touch of innovation to your home. The glow interface lights up with two blending options as soon as your cup is in place. Choose the full circle for the automated smoothie cycle, or the pulse circle for hands-on control. Plus, our blending cups are now made with Triton Renew, a durable material that contains 50% certified recycled content. They're puff-free, shatter-resistant, and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The rapid extractor blade is equipped with a stainless steel platform and titanium coating, increasing its longevity and reducing blending time. Thank you for joining us for our overview of the Nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cool Gadgets for more reviews of kitchen appliances and innovative gadgets. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, blend better and greener with Nutribullet.